what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the best way I can start this vlog. I forgot to film the intro for the vlog, so I'm just going to use this intro. So it's just like a mini reset, cleaning, all that stuff. Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and in most cases on Saturdays I do my cleaning like most times. So today I'm going to just do the washing, clean all surfaces, and also change my sheets like I showed you before at the beginning of this video. So just spend the day with me because I'm cleaning a lot, because I just recently came back from Ginger where I traveled to. So let's get right into it. The washing, most times I wash from outside unless I'm supposed to clean the bathroom. If there is one thing I've decided to do this year is try to make more to-do lists. There is a way I get like some sense of peace when I do that, like some sense of fulfillment when I'm ticking everything that I've done. So that's something I've implemented this year. Though I didn't show you in this part of the video, but I wrote all my tasks down so that I can tick and know that I've done this and this. You're wondering, I just came back from Ginger, and the main reason I went to Ginger is I went an audition for Miss Uganda East, but I didn't get through to the finals. So it was such a good experience to be surrounded by amazing people, amazing like the environment, and also know other people. It's very important. And also this, I say to myself, you have to take risks. Even when you don't know what's going to come out of something, you just have to go for it and see and try at least. So that's something you should consider as well. So at this point my back is screaming because of all the bending from the washing, and I did laundry for a lot of clothes. So I'm just trying to clean all the surfaces, the dining, and also the chairs to make sure everything is clean before I have breakfast. Some bread and some fried eggs. So this is what happened. I was supposed to make milk, but immediately I put it on the gas, it got spoiled, so I had no choice but to make black tea.
few moments later.
Maria, what is that? That one. I see. That's what it. So guys, we are heading down to buy some groceries and also to chop Maria's hair. She's heading back to school on Monday. Maria, say hi. Meanwhile, guys, I was not happy with the way this guy chopped Maria's hair, but anyway, let's head back home and I show you what I bought. Guys, this is what I bought. I bought some avocado, some matoke, and these are my pies. There's some bread and some mandas. That's all I bought. It's really hot. So guys, I just came from buying the groceries like I showed you. I'm supposed to go make fire and cook meat.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to
I
the
did not show
side
you
of
guys
my
the end
mountain.
results and maybe soon, but regardless, we know.
The next day.
Today I'm taking back Maria to school, but I'm going to first pass by MB Cosmetics, their branch in Uganda, to get a package. This is the package I got, and it had a mascara, compact powder and setting spray. I've worked with this brand for quite a while, so guys can shop some of their products. They have very nice products. They have a branch in Uganda. It's along Acacia Mall.
A few moments later.
Finally, we're at Maria's school and I already miss her without even getting home. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.